Y'all see it? It's Indian demo day. Yeah, fuck y'all at, man. Yeah, look at this motherfucker right here, boy. Yeah, Indian demo day. Come ride the best of the best. You see it?
Are you ready? The time has come. Let the show begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
When I say it was a good turnout, it was a good turnout. You see all the bikes over there. Let me zoom in on them over there. They all over there too. They all over there too. They all parked back there at the Hooters. You see all the bikes. You see everybody out here in line to get the dyno tune. You see the bikes back here. Yeah. When I say it was a great bike night for Indian for the win. Dyno tune. Come see what your numbers is, man. Pop out. I'll let y'all know what mine is later. Yeah. What you looking at, Ron? What you looking at, man?
81, 120.
All right.
I mean, pretty much stock. Definitely exhaust. Yeah,
good shit. Yeah, you ready?
Hold that.
I'm curious.
What's the guesses? Over or under 185? Fuck you. 3 horsepower. 7. I bet it makes like 12 and a half. Gotta ease into it.
What was it?
182, baby!
Yeah.
96, baby!
Yeah. That boy got 196. 196. All him. Yeah. What you thinking, man?
I'm hoping for a $110.
All right. Let's see what this victory do. This 106, boy. See what she do.
Yeah.
The victory's at 84 for American. My homeboy got the 196 for the BMW. What's up, man? We out here. You see the Indian gear again. We out here, man. It's a good turnout, bro. It's a good turnout. Y'all see it. You see everybody out here. We're packed out here. Yeah. They out here, boy. They out here. 5-minute quarter. What up? We out here, boy. You see him? Ain't no playing out here. And it's packed at Hooters. That's how we doing it over here at Indian Bike Night. Yeah, just in case you didn't know if there's any baggers out here, they out here. What's up?
Hi, everybody.
Oh, I ain't see y'all in a while. Hold up. My turn. Roadmaster 112, 2025.
It's just some raggedy stuff.
Huh? Don't do that.
It's just some raggedy stuff. It's just some raggedy stuff put together, scrap parts. Good.
130, 138.
All right.
Where you at?
I'm saying about 132,
I
142.
think it's gonna pull up more.
You
Think so?
gotta break that. You gotta show that.
He'll be the same as that build, but
You think?
that's my number, and my bike's turned down by 3 degrees of time
Yeah.
right now because we just built the motor today.
Oh, you ain't even.
He ain't even breaking. You gotta do breaking. That's it.
No, we literally built it today. We built his what?
What? 153. Woo! I was not expecting that.
I gotta be.
Oh my God.
I spy with my little eye a slow ass motorcycle. Right there. Right there.
153, I would say like 130, maybe 144.
That's not bigger, probably 153, 140.
You.
Now bump me off the list.
Oh. Woo. Yeah.
CBR 1000.
They're cool, bro. Hey, I'm ready, man. I'm ready for this shit, bro. As you see, you gotta make this. You gotta be 1, 2, and 3 on metric or American to be able to get on this board. See what's coming up next.
A little bit.
Glacier. Hi.
You okay with him sitting?
Huh?
Are you okay with it or no?
I don't want to do it. Hell no.
Are you okay with him?
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's go then. Let's
Hey,
go.
I think he's light enough.
Let's go. I want to see what this shit is, bro. Yeah. He need more weight. Hey, you know what I mean, right? Let me your shit full. Let me your shit full. Yeah. That bitch went up. Hey. That's it. That's it. That's it. Just pointed out here that on the American side, I got number one. I'm gonna point this out. This is a 124 rebuild Harley. 124. You see what Indian doing?
No.
Just got back from Indian Savannah bike night. Look, we had a list of what metric bikes, which is Japanese, Chinese, whatever case may be, and American bikes doing a dyno. And we rank it from 1 to 3. I came in first, of course. But the crazy shit is that I heard tonight is somebody I know, I fuck with him. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with him. He cool. It's my nigga. I fuck with him. But he said he rolled past me. He doing wheelies and shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he do that shit. I'm not fucking my suspension up doing wheelies and shit. I can do that shit easily. I'm just not fucking my shit up like that. But you wanna talk your shit? Put your shit in the fucking dyno, my nigga. I was only in 4th, 5th gear. And you couldn't pass me. You was full fucking throttle. I was like this. I was halfway in. I let off before the exit, my nigga. I let you go past me on the exit. Hey, man, you gotta get in where you fit in, bro. It is what it is. Hey, 153 horsepower, 140 torque, dyno at the fucking wheel. What the fuck you talking about? Let's get it.
Try to get me in a room, yeah. Everybody wanna talk, why? Always coming with the tunes, They know